Well, hello everyone. So glad you could join me again today. This is video 18, the final video of the Merry Christmas Gnome. And as you can see, we only have the one square left. Or I should say rectangle. It's not completely a square. I've noticed in the last video, I recorded it with my volume turned completely down on my phone. I'm not sure if it makes a difference in the audio or not for some people. But anyway, yeah, this is the last rectangle. And we'll go over and look at it when we are done as well as a final piece. We're going to start with the number 3. As always, eBay makes us beg for subscriptions, otherwise they don't recognize our hard work. So if you could please subscribe, there is no cost to you, and it really helps anybody's channel if you subscribe to them, especially if you like it, enjoy it, want to be able to track down the person at a later time and watch their content. I appreciate all subscribers, so do please subscribe if you watch my content. Hit bell notification only if you want to be notified when I release videos. Now we're going to the letter P. And leave a comment, suggestions, ideals, thoughts, questions, anything really. I very much appreciate if you do. Please make them at least 7 words or more, because again, they don't reward our interaction unless it's a certain amount that they dictate on. Yeah. So we're all in the grips of, well, we have to conform to someone else's rules. And hit the thumbs up to show that you like my content. And this is the last video to this particular painting. I've enjoyed it. It's been a little different than some of the others I've done. And I guess that's all I got to say for now. Got a few big ones here, so let's see what we can do. I see 4 right there. Okay. Trying to get some rows so I can even do this. There's 6 right here. Okay, there's a row of 5 right there. Okay, and I think that knocks me down to smaller stylus where I control how much. Okay. Whoops. All right. believe that might be all the P's. Yes. Oh, excuse me. And then we have the letter J. It's been highly dry because of how cold it's been. And the heat dries out the house even more, which is probably why I started sneezing. All this dry air makes the dust float around. Oh, come on, discharge. There we go. Doing the letter J right now. There's 5 there. Okay. And 5 more there. Lots of 5. I guess it's okay as long as we get to fill some in, huh? 5. Whoops. Didn't load in that one spot. 5 right there. Okay, I believe that's all of the large amounts. I'm just looking around, looking for J's. I see one right here. Right there. Okay. A few different spots up here. I'm binding them. Okay. I see a few running through here. Okay. And I think that's about it. All right. Now we have the letter K. Okay. No, I see a single one over here too. Right there. There's another. Just going after singles here. Okay, the rest looks like all groups. So, I'm going to start with filling in the groups. 1. Okay, still got quite a few left. Just finding where they're located and filling it in. And a couple groupings here. Alrighty then. Now we'll do the letter L. Okay. This might be my fault. Not sure if I got any more of these in the holding tray, but I do not have a lot right here, so okay. I know I filled another letter up, but I did not do this one. So which is kind of disappointed. I'm not quite sure why. So right now I'm just going to all right. Do my best with what little I've got. All right. And most of them are groupings. So let's see what I can do. There's 2. Luckily, this is the last of the picture. So if this is all the factory that they've given me, then it should be just enough to finish this painting. And I don't have to worry about running out of this color. So okay, just looking for any strays. That appears to be all. Okay, so L is done. Now we have the number 6. Okay. And I can see some large amounts here. So I don't know why, but this particular one does not like to flip over. Like I said, everything that's made can be problematic if it wasn't made right to begin with. So all right. Okay, that appears most of the sixes, at least in large groupings. So now it's time to do the small. Okay. Still working on the number 6. As you can see, they're pretty scattered. Okay. Whoops, there's a single one right there as well. So now we're going to do the groupings. Whoops. Okay. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, then the letter R. Alrighty. The letter R is a very, very dark color. There's a group. I think I'm going to do the groupings first. Okay. There's only a few, so then we can do the singles. I think I missed 2 P's. Or maybe I didn't even have them yet. I don't know. One starts to blur into another, especially when I'm trying to do more than one in a day. So I have content to release. Excuse me. During my surgery, see, I missed K's and P's. So we're going to put R back. I see a double K. We'll put that in. And then there's 2 singular P's that need to be filled in. That I could very much think that I've already done, because I don't see any more. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and do number 4. And boy, do we have a lot of them this time. All right, so much so that I'm going to get the larger stylus out to deal with this. Okay. All right. So, got that. Um, yeah, got some excess of adhesive going on here. Okay. Now we can go to a smaller stylus and fill in these smaller groupings. Okay, I gotta fix this adhesive a little bit. All right. Okay. This, I think, is this, they're like their gloved hands or something. So, all right. Nope, there's another 4 right there. You know, I only see 1 0. I don't know if it's because I've already done it or that's all there is. So I'm just gonna hijack one out of the tray and put it in. Yeah, not worth the whole tray. Now we're gonna do number 5s. We have a lot just scattered around. I wouldn't call it a lot. There's just a few. There's more than a few, but not a lot. There you go. So, gonna fill in those. And then I think we're gonna go to number 7. which we have some different ones here. Not a huge amount, but definitely have some different ones. And I'm going to split this one up. This is about the only big 7 I've seen, and it's just not worth taking out the big stylish just for that one. So right now we're doing groupings. Okay, got one right here. And I believe that's about all the groupings. So now we have some singular ones. Gonna fill in here. Okay. Whoops. So easily to take back. And I believe that is all the 7s. Now I see some N's, so we're gonna do some N, letter N now. They're kind of scattered around. Right. Oh, I missed a 7 right there. I don't know how I did that. Yeah, it is so easy to do. Okay. Hopefully I'm not going to miss any N's. All right. And then we're going to hijack that 7 and put it in. All right. Now, I guess we're going to do number 2. Yep. And we have quite the combination here. We got from singulars to groupings. It is quite all over the place. We got small groupings. We got a large grouping. So it's quite the collage of them around. So okay. Whoops. It did not unload. All right, I'm gonna use the larger tip, I guess. 2. Huh, that's 3. Okay, that's 4. Okay, so there's a 4 right here. That's almost a whole 1 right here. Number 2. Then there is an almost whole one again right here. Okay. Okay. Then we're just going to do a 6 right there. Might be longer, but I'm only going to... Okay. All right, so the rest are smaller amounts. Okay. Right. All right. Hopefully the rest are all singles. And let's start up here. There's a number 2. Okay, just the letter S left now. As you can see, that's quite the integrated area of those 2 colors. We're going to work on the little amounts first, and then we'll go to the large area to be done. So just working on these smaller areas first. Okay. Wow, look at that. So, again, whoops, I accidentally stole the number 2 out. There we go. I ask that you please subscribe. It's absolutely free, no cost to you. Really helps channels grow, makes it so we can become monetized. Hit the bell notification only if you want to be notified. Hit the thumbs up to show that you approve of the content I released. And leave a comment, suggestion, ideal, questions, all of that good stuff. And as always, you are definitely appreciated. And I also have an eBay store. It's called everything underscore under underscore the underscore sun, all lowercase letters. And please check out my store. Once I'm monetized, I will start adding the link to my store down below. At this time, I am not monetized, so I cannot do that. They do not allow it. And of course, here when I get done, I'm going to show you one final of the painting finished. There we are. And here we go. Let's go ahead and bring that down a little so it can be seen. And there we are. This is the final of the Gnomes Merry Christmas. And there we are. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time.